Nessa Sunshine here, and today we're getting into a This Easy Eye look with a Maybelline City Mini Palette, and this palette is in Cocoa City, and it is just going to be a voiceover today. So if you're interested in getting this eye look well, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the tutorial.
I'll be using two of the brushes from the Spice of Life collection from Zoeva, the 221 and 228, and we'll be going into the City Mini Palette. This is Cocoa City. It's so pretty. If you don't have ABH Soft Glam, this is where it's at. Taking that transition shade, blend it back and forth in the crease above the crease area. I also have a set base in case you may be wondering. I add more and I continue to blend back and forth in swiper motions, building up that lighter transition shade. Keep building until you feel that your building is complete and blending, of course, and do that to the other side. Next, we're getting into that deeper shade with that same 221 brush, tapping off the excess. Add it very slowly to the outer corner of the eye. And I'm using very tiny little swiper motions, some circular motion, and some patting motion. So I'm going to do the same sort of thing to the outer corner on the other side. And then I go back to the side I was working on and blend it in the crease above the crease, just how we did the first shade, and blend it back and forth, and then focus on building that outer corner and sort of winging it out a little bit. And this is all taking place with swiper motions. Do that on both sides of the eye. Time for some beautiful shimmer shade. And I'm going to take a new brush instead of using my old brush. You can clean yours if you have one. But I'm going to take my new brush, the 228 Zoeva brush, and I'm going to dip that into the shimmer shade. But I don't just dip it. I press the brush with my finger onto that shimmer. Starting in the center, I swipe it. And then I continue to swipe the shimmer shade in toward the inner corner of the lid, and I swipe, 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 swipe. And after I'm done swiping, I'm going to take the tip and that flat part of the brush. I'm going to start to move it in the inner corner up into the crease above the crease area. And what I'm going to do with that is create a faux kind of cut crease. And it's just creating this nice definition, but not like super intense definition. And then I will do that to the other side. I'm going to add a second shimmer from the Lemonade Craze palette, the color Main Squeeze. You can use any sort of bright shimmer that you want, but I'm going to take Main Squeeze. And I'm not going to take it with my finger. I'm taking it with the same brush, the 228, starting in the inner corner, bringing that up into the crease halfway, also up, into the lid halfway, doing that to both sides in the inner corner of the eyelid and into the crease above the crease halfway. I'm gonna pop on the Lotus Lashes Yarzabeth lash so you can see that's what they look like. You can put on lashes if you want or mascara. Go ahead and do your face makeup, and let's return to the under eye. This is the Nabla Precision Shader Brush, and I'm taking that into the deep color in the City Mini Palette, put that in the under eye. I tapped off the excess, so go ahead and do that to both sides. And now it's time for mascara. And this is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and that will complete the eye look. And then go ahead and put whatever mascara you need to. And this right here is the Georgia Liquid Lipstick in Collab. And Georgia is actually a brand that someone from my elementary and high school days, their husband owns this brand. So yeah.
And that completes the look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on this eye look right here using the City Mini Palette in Cocoa City. If you liked this tutorial, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram at Nessa Sunshine, and I will see you guys later. Bye! Bye now.